Hey, 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 what's going on, my YouTube family? Listen, it's been quite a while, but I promise y'all, I'm going to get this consistency down packed. So, listen, this is Michelle W. Kofa, financial literacy and mindset coach, and I'm super excited to talk to you guys about how you can start your own credit restoration biz with no experience, right? So, you're listening to someone who is a former social worker for over 16 years. I worked on helping families impact their lives, mostly at-risk families. But when we start thinking about how I got into this industry, what I want you to understand is it was all fate, it was all God, it was all divine. As a social worker, of course, I knew how to help people, but I didn't know anything about helping people with their finances or anything like that. And so, after going through a period of 8 months being unemployed, with no income coming in, I began to get behind on things. I began to get behind on the mortgage. I got behind on the car loans. I maxed out the credit cards. And subsequently, my credit score plummeted all the way down into the 500s. And we're talking now, this is going into top of 2017. And I decided, you know what? I want to fix my credit. But I realized I didn't know a lot. I realized I wasn't really educated. And so I said, you know what? I want to partner with a platform that can help me while I'm still in school full time, while I still work full time, while I'm a wife, a mom, and a minister. And you guys would not believe I found an amazing, amazing platform online, through my husband being introduced to this platform from one of his Uber passengers. We found that we could build a credit biz online with no skills. Listen, no skills, no experience in the credit industry at all. And so I want to show you guys this amazing non-for-profit company that we've been able to partner with. All right. So let me just go ahead and grab my screen share so you can see this. So a lot of times you hear people talking about credit repair, credit restoration. You hear all of those things and you're like, yeah, is it really real? Does it really work? Well, we've been able to partner with an amazing nonprofit organization called United Credit Education Services. And as you can see here on the screen, when you partner with them, you're able to protect your financial future. So we start talking credit restoration. This is my language. One, because we're talking about the overall financial affairs of the family for not just today, but also for generations to come. Hashtag legacy down below, right? So listen, what I love most about this program was that I didn't have to do the work. I didn't have to do the work. I was able to leverage their team of credit attorneys to come in here and go out here and beat down these credit bureaus who are illegally placing all kinds of things on our credit. So I'll start right here with the yellow box, the credit restoration. This is a very, very simple process of leveraging the rights of consumers utilizing the Fair Credit Reporting Act law. They go in, their team of attorneys will challenge every single negative item across all three bureaus. So if these items are inaccurate, they're obsolete, they're unverified, they're erroneous, you have the right as a consumer to go in and challenge those. Now, yes, you could do that on your own. Yes, you could try using the app, but yes, you do lose some of your rights. And no, you don't know what you're doing, right? So I leveraged them to do all of the work. But on top of that, they provide an amazing portfolio of add-on services like budgeting so that you're able to manage your money, understand what you're spending, what's coming in, what's going out, and track that progress. You also get credit monitoring, the red box right here on the right. This is going to allow you to know your score, protect and monitor it at all times so you know where you stand, so you don't go and apply for a new car and end up with 20 hard inquiries, right? Then the credit attorneys, again, they're going to be leveraging the law. So even the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, which stops those harassing phone calls, those creditors from calling you all times of day or night, right? Even going in and disputing those erroneous errors on your credit report. And then I love right here in the yellow, the credit builder. So many Americans are credit invisible. So many Americans have credit scores that are under a 580. We're talking about millions and 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 millions of people. So you can leverage this tool to help people build their credit, restore their credit, understand how credit is calculated, understand the algorithm of credit so that they can better improve themselves and get the resources they need to build good credit. Now, I love the debt payoff, the purple, because this is going to allow people to pay off debt. If you're talking about you want to own a home and you have outstanding debt, a car note or a student loan, it's going to show you how to pay off that debt quickly, saving you hundreds of thousands of dollars on interest in most cases. Then the identity monitoring is given to you to protect your identity because every 30 seconds, somebody's identity is being compromised. And so when we think about it, you want to make sure that you're not just protecting your credit, but you want to protect your bank account. You want to protect your driver's license. You want to protect that social at all costs, right? The life insurance, that's something that's paid out to available business partners. We'll talk about that in another video, but also the life box, the financial lockbox, I should say. This is going to give you the ability to put your life insurance policies, deeds to property, anything that's important to you, social security cards, passport, things like that can be stored in a safe, secure place that cannot be hacked by anybody. It's virtual, it's safe, and only in the event that something happens to you will this unlock for a designated person. The net worth tool, I love, again, allowing you to track, am I an asset to my family or am I a liability? This is going to allow you to be able to see your overall financial worth and allow you to be able to track your assets. So you'll know if something were to happen to you, God forbid, where your family is going to be left standing, right? In the cold, are they going to be wrapped warm and secure? Then we have our savings goal. All my homeowners out there, aspiring homeowners, drop a 1 in the comment section, because this is going to allow you to be able to save money for maybe tuition, a new home, or vacation, or whatever it is you're trying to achieve. You're able to track your progress, and this aligns to your current pay scale. So every time you get paid, it can remind you to put XYZ dollars away. So it's going to hold you accountable. The will and trust is something I absolutely love, because as a former social worker, I've saw children come into care. I saw families in disarray because somebody unexpectedly passed, and there was no will or trust plan in place, right? So you're able to create not just your will and trust, but also your POAs, power of attorney, for financial and medical. And this is going to make sure that your family is safe and secure. And then the YFL Family Mint allows you to work with your children at their own pace, at home, in a very fun, interactive way. They can start learning about finances. So I'm going to scroll back to the top, because you saw Rocket Lawyer. This service is added to our customers in our portfolio as well at month after month 3. This is going to give you on-demand legal services. You can consult with an attorney, absolutely no additional cost. And then you're thinking about incorporating your business, getting your LLCs, drafting up important documents. All of that can be done right here with this amazing platform. So we talk about how can you start a business with no experience. You can literally come on board, partner with this amazing nonprofit organization, leverage their skills, their expertise for over 18 years, and be able to add those services. So that is all I wanted to share. Again, if you are interested in learning how myself, a former struggling social worker, how my husband, an Uber driver, were able to come in here, leverage this platform to improve our own credit. My score went from a 550 to a 651, 42 days on the program, 707 by 6 months, ultimately reaching a 766, leveraging this program. And I use the word leverage very intentionally, because guess what? I didn't do the work. I didn't write credit letters. I didn't call credit bureaus. All I had to do was follow the system, and the system worked for me, and it's changing lives. So if you're interested in more information about how you can leverage this amazing protection plan to improve your credit and overall financial health, definitely get back with me. 404-980-3366 is the direct number to my office. Again, 404-980-3366, or you can go ahead and schedule a free credit assessment. Yes, I know people charge $20, $55, $100 and up. It's a free credit assessment. You can go to COFER, COFER, Financial Group.setmore, SETMORE.com, COFER Financial Group.setmore.com. We'll see you at the top. Take care. Bye.